welcome in Reanna kitchen. Today I'm making special food. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's start it. You need some cauliflower. I washed it with turmeric powder, some pepper powder, chili powder, some coffee powder, maida powder, chopped onions, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, some coriander leaf, little water, soya sauce, red chili sauce, ketchup, some salt for taste. Add salt. Now add pepper. Now add chili powder. Now mix everything well. After mixing, add coffee powder. Now mix it well. Now add maida powder. Now mix it well. Now add little water. Let's mix it. After mixing, keep it for 10 minutes. When the oil is hot, put the cauliflower one by one. Onion, little salt for taste. Now add ginger, garlic and green chilies. When it's golden brown, add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix it well. Now add the fried cauliflower inside. Mix everything well. Add some coriander leaf for flavor. Yummy, yummy chili gobi is ready. Delicious. Yum, yum. Now eat.